Mini vlog. Say hi, Erika. 안녕하세요.
We're gonna go see Navi's.
Huh?
Navi's. We're gonna go see Navi's.
Oh yeah. So cute. OMG, guys. Go up. We're gonna follow Erika. Erika, lead us to the way.
I don't know where I'm going.
Those are real life ones, bro.
Wow!
Guys, this is so cutesy. Look at the little terrariums. With the butterflies inside that one. Bro. All the little crystals. The heck? Oh, these are moss ball pets. Moss ball pets. Oh, these more little moss ball pets. So cute.
Mini snails.
Look at the mushrooms. I feel like I'm a Disney princess. There's a fountain. That's literally us, Erika. Oh, orchids. Venus flytraps. Put your finger in it. Whoa, guys! Guys, it's so pretty in here. Look at that tree. Whoa. She got scared. I'm gonna go look back at this one again. That one, guys. It's so cool. There's Erika, there's a fountain right there. That's the Julia one. Look at the fishes. Guys, oh my god.
Oh my god!
So pretty. There's 3 of them right here.
Yummy!
Oh, there's orange one.
Wow!
Look at the yellow one. The yellow one's right here. Nabi. Guys, look at it in here. Erika, smile. Oh, the trees. Perdidos.
Coneco. Estamos perdidas.
Perdidas.
Ay, estúpida.
From Brazil. Erika, look. This from Brazil. Los coites. Es son de Japón más. Guys, so pretty here. Look at that.
Wow!
Whoa, guys, a blue butterfly. Ma. Look at this. Right
Oh
here.
wow!
They're so cool. Look at this one, guys. Look at that Nabi. Oh. Look cute. Mira esta. Bro, they're bigger than my hand. Look at it, guys.
I'm gonna take myself a picture.
Going down. It looks scary, guys. It is scary. This is my favorite part. Right here. La cascadita. Bro. Ay, me va a caer. I almost fell. Is it Korea?
That's my first time seeing one of those.
What?
The flowers on there.
A lotus flower. blow, let's flower blow. This is also Chinese. This one's cute. Wow. Oh, look at the little trees over there. Look at that little house up there. Aww. Train passing by. Here's another one.
Sayonara.
How old is this one? 45.
This is actually like ginormous.
I want to touch it. And look at this cave, guys. Stained glass! Guys, this is so pretty.
Wow.
Yeah, I loved it. Look at these ones. Guys, it's a mango tree. They have these, they're like glass. Look at those. Guys, so this is what they make. This is what they used to make tequila. My ancestors used to draw with. I got more right here. A little ones like vaquitas or something. Bro. This looks so aesthetic in here.